Battling Illustrator's Error 21 can be a design nightmare, but let's get you back on track. First, let's understand what this error is. It typically pops up due to issues like corrupted preferences, font conflicts, or problems with your system resources. Step 1 is a simple restart. Close Illustrator completely and reopen it. Sometimes this quick refresh clears up temporary glitches. Next, try opening a different file. If that opens without the error, the problem likely lies within the original file. Consider importing its contents into a new document. If the problem persists, reset your Illustrator preferences. Hold down specific keys while launching Illustrator. That will reset to default settings. Font conflicts are another likely cause. Go through your font manager and deactivate any recently installed or suspicious fonts, then test Illustrator again. Clear the Illustrator cache. This removes temporary files which might be causing conflicts. The cache location depends on your operating system, but is often found within user settings, app data, or cache. Double-check your system resources. Ensure that you have sufficient RAM and disk space available, as a shortage can trigger the error. Close unnecessary applications. If none of these steps work, consider contacting Adobe support directly or searching online forums for more specific solutions. Remember, fixing Error 21 is usually straightforward with these troubleshooting tips. Happy designing!